in the deepest part of the ocean, the Mariana Trench. A place so extreme, it crushes steel like paper. But down here, nearly 11 kilometers below the surface, something lives. Meet the Mariana snailfish, a creature so delicate it looks like it's made of jelly. Its body is soft and ghostly, specially evolved to survive where the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. It has no need for eyes, no need for light. It feels its way through the silence, feeding on tiny crustaceans that drift into the trench. First filmed in 2017, this fragile fish thrives where almost nothing else can. It's not fierce, it's not flashy, but it's the deepest living fish ever discovered, a quiet champion of the abyss. Deeper still, where the ocean turns pitch black, lives a creature with a name as dramatic as its appearance. The vampire squid, Vampiroteuthis infernalis, the vampire squid from hell. Despite its fearsome name, it doesn't suck blood or attack prey. Instead, it floats like a phantom, with glowing eyes and a cloak of webbed arms. Its body pulses with red and blue light. In the dark, it can vanish in an instant, leaving behind a burst of bioluminescent ink to confuse predators. It doesn't chase food, it collects it, feasting on drifting marine snow, dead plankton, feces, and particles that rain down from above. Part squid, part octopus, but truly unlike either. The vampire squid is a quiet survivor in a world of silence and shadow. In the midnight zone of the ocean, where darkness is eternal, lives a creature so strange, it defies belief. This is the BROZ fish, a small, quiet hunter with a completely transparent head. Inside its see-through skull, two glowing green eyes rotate like periscopes, scanning the shadows above for prey. It floats motionless, conserving energy, until the perfect moment strikes. Protected by its clear dome, its sensitive eyes are built to detect the faintest shimmer of life in total darkness. Discovered in 1939 and only filmed alive for the first time in 2004, the BROZ fish is one of the ocean's most mysterious marvels. Alien in appearance, brilliant by design, a true deep-sea enigma. The deep sea isn't only home to small, alien-like creatures, it's also ruled by giants. Meet the sperm whale, the largest toothed predator on Earth, and a master of the abyss. These colossal mammals can dive over 3,000 meters deep, nearly 2 miles, in search of their favorite prey, the elusive giant squid. In the crushing dark, they use echolocation, clicking sounds that bounce through the water, to see with sound. A single dive can last over an hour. A single meal can weigh hundreds of pounds. With scars from squid battles carved into their skin, sperm whales are both hunters and legends of the deep. They remind us that even the darkest parts of the ocean are alive, with power, mystery, and life beyond imagination.
From fragile fish that live under crushing pressure, to giants that dive deeper than submarines, the deep sea is not empty. It's alive. We've only explored a fraction of it. Countless creatures still remain unseen, untouched, unknown. In the silence below, life has adapted in ways we're only beginning to understand. The ocean hides its secrets well, but one thing is certain. The deeper we go, the stranger it gets. The ocean's depths are not empty. They're just undiscovered. We've barely scratched the surface of the sea below. What else waits in the dark? In the deep, life thrives without sunlight, without warmth, only mystery. This is not science fiction. This is Earth. Until we explore every shadow, the ocean will remain the greatest mystery of all. The deep sea isn't the end of the world. It's the beginning of another. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, dive deeper with us. Subscribe for more mysteries waiting to be uncovered.